Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to update one of these software, Adobe Express. Now he already available for free beta. So for my computer, for my these laptops, so it's not the updated version. So I need to, after I click join the free beta, so he will request me to update the new version, my Google Cloud version. So if you're same like me, you have to copy the link and then upgrade for the Google Cloud as well. So after that, okay guys, this is the new interface we are looking now. So I think it's very beautiful. So here is the home page, your stuff. So we click the stuff. So this is the file I was created. But now this brand and library is a cloud, so it's a pay version. So explore here you can type, they have a three type: animated template, multiple page, video template as well. So you can choose photo, video, design assets, and breakdown. So this all similar like Canva, and then totally is free for use. So you have another selection or another choice for you to create your Instagram reel, TikTok video as well. So you can choose different kind of video template. You also can upload those these created design follow your schedule. Then he will automatically post it on your Facebook channel, your YouTube, your TikTok. So you just need to press and then upload your following your date and time. You can select your channel, maybe Facebook, Instagram, or these channel or platform, but it's not available in this YouTube. Okay, so you can add your script over here. So here, because this is the premium, this will be entitled. So now it's the free version, is cannot use it. Okay, but never mind, we can try to take a look at another things. For example, you can create this scratch from Instagram square post, flyer, Instagram story, and logo, and so on. So here we can scroll down and take a look. So this is the text to image. So in my previous YouTube tutorial channel already mentioned it, so you can go and take a look. So I will put the link in the description box below. Text effect as well. I think this one is more advanced and more better than the Canva, because those design is very unique if I compare with the Canva free version. Even this one is a Canva free. Even this one is an Adobe Express free version. You also entitled. Okay, so for example, I just click one of these selection. Then you can select the balloon, blue gold, or diamond guilty as well. So after you click this one, text, sorry about that, tell us what you want to look. So this one is a diamond guilty. So there now is running. So you can select one of them. This one or this one. Okay, so now we're back to this home page, and then click the social media. So social media, they have provide a lot like Instagram square post, TikTok, Instagram story, Facebook, the layout for you to create the scratch, or you can select the browser template. So you can click this one or this one and this one as well. So you can filter and then select what the platform you want to design and others. So just maybe I just use maybe Facebook. Okay, then maybe you can choose one of these create Okay, so here the photo, video and audio, so you can upload your own device. So for example, maybe I just upload one of the photo and then open it, then you already post to my this Facebook post. You also can select this video is provided by here. Okay, just click it and then just scroll down and then take a look. Okay, here is a fill video, so this video I want to fill it, so it's like this. But now it's already covered my picture, so you can click over here the layer, then you can drag and it's a reposition. If you want to do this adjustment, you just click this layer and then can reduce, put somewhere like this. Okay, you also can for example, now this one I make a little bit zoom in like this. Okay, so for example, if I want this photo, this lady, you also can click remove background as well, and then this totally is free. Okay, but if I use Canva free version, I am not entitled about this function or this effect. So this is quite good if you use this Adobe Express here. Okay, so you also can scroll down and then take a look about this effect, or if you want these ladies have different kind of effect, for example like this and this as well. Okay, you can, if you want back to normal, it's like this. Okay, we going back and then see what can be do. Okay, adjust. Okay, I think this one is normal function in every this design app as well. Animation, so animation you can choose in, looping and out. So for example, just click in, they will like this. If you like this animation function, you just click and then you can adjust the duration. You also can adjust the bound. Okay, this one is from top to bottom. You can left to right, so you all can adjust it. If you don't want, you just remove all animation. You also can use looping. Okay, out, so maybe we're going out, another function like this one again, this. Okay, he will look like that. Okay, so this is a basic, is provided by Adobe Express. So if you happy about this video already, everything done good, you can share to your colleague. You also can share to your colleague, so you can select the email address. Okay, invite the people come in, or you copy the link. You also can download the video. You also can come to 3 dot and then report abuse. You also can click this one for join our Discord as well. You also can give your friend to give some comment. For example, you can put your friend Gmail email account. You also can insert the emoji, maybe for example like this. Okay, submit. Okay, like this. You also can sorry about that. You also can invite your friend coming. Just give the invite your friend coming and copy the link, same like just now I mentioned it. So everything is quite easy. You also can add the text. The text here, they have a 2 type. One is a normal text you can key in. Okay, another, okay, this one is sorry about that. You can select what type, what design or what type over here. Okay, you also can select this outline and define and scroll down and can tick so on. So if you don't want this, okay, you can delete. You can select is provided, or maybe selection from here. You just click this one, just waiting a few seconds, then the text will be pink panel. Sorry, pink. Then we can adjust the position and then the resizes for your this project. Okay, So after everything is okay, just download. Okay, so now we're back to this home page. So this is the home page. So I can scroll down and then take a look about remove background, resize, all is free. Then will be more coming soon and other available function and effect coming soon. Okay, so this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.